project.json file here. So here you can see that this is an MVC application as created by the ASP NET generator, and it's got quite a lot of dependencies, and we've got entity framework.sql server and commands and lots of diagnostics and tag helpers and all this good stuff. But down at the bottom here, it always looks weird because entity framework has its own top level namespace now. Everything else has Microsoft.ASP.NET or Microsoft.Framework, and then down at the bottom we've just got this one word, Kestrel. Kestrel is an HTTP server. It is it runs on top of libuv, so essentially it is C# using interop to talk to the libuv library that Node uses and to do HTTP serving on top of that. And if we look down in our commands here, you can see we've got web, which runs on web listener on localhost 5000, and Kestrel runs with saying the server is the Kestrel package, which you can find here, and the server URL is localhost 5001. We have also got, for some reason, Microsoft.Framework.Code generation, which is what we're using Yo for, so we don't need that, and entity framework.commands, and because we're on Linux, so we can't talk to SQL Server, and entity framework only supports SQL Server, so we don't need that either. Okay, good. Also, you will notice that here I have taken out the DNX Core 50 entry from my frameworks, and that is because none of this stuff that I'm doing is going to work on .NET Core yet. But if I do a restore, it will go and restore all those packages, and when I'm in Atom with OmniSharp, OmniSharp will show errors for both frameworks at the same time, and I only want it to show